When the Note 5 Pro came out, it was hands down the best phone to get in that price, and we got multiple phones from other brands like Asus who totally killed it with the Zenfone Max Pro M1. But who thought that the Note 5 Pro could be totally disrupted by this new phone called the Poco F1. The Note 5 Pro is the perfect phone, as my buddy Suraj would like to call it, and I would agree to most of his points, but I think that a lot of the Redmi Note 5 Pro's potential has been questioned by the Poco F1. I'm excited to see how the Note 5 Pro stacks up in today's world. I'll run down my experience very quickly. Good performance as the day I had got it. It has a design, it's nice and premium, has excellent battery life and pretty nice cameras. The display is also as it should be on a budget phone. Talking about its competition, the Poco F1, the Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM at 21,000 is just bonkers. And the Note 5 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 636 at 15,000 rupees, which is completely fine, and these two phones cater to different types of people in different price segments. But what's more interesting is more often than not, I've seen people extending the budget to 21,000 just to get the Snapdragon 845 feels, which is just mind-blowing. While it might feel like something pretty amazing, but there are a lot of issues that have plagued the Poco F1, and the Redmi Note 5 Pro isn't a victim of any of them. The polycarbonate back, the huge notch, you watch Netflix in 1080p, asymmetric corners, ghost touch, and much more. I'm not even going into the software bugs as they can be fixed, but the issues that I just mentioned are hardware issues and there are no chances of them getting fixed. The Note 5 Pro offers 80 to 85% of what the Poco F1 offers for 6,000 rupees less, and it's better in a lot of ways. If I was in your position, I would rather go for the Redmi Note 5 Pro if performance wasn't the highest priority on my list. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.